Hey everyone, welcome to Milo Me. As you can see, Milo's cage needs a bit of a clean, so today we're tidying up and swapping out some of his toys. Parrots are incredibly smart and need plenty of stimulation, so it's important to change things up regularly to keep them engaged and happy. I picked up some new toys for Milo and we've been playing with them outside of the cage to make sure he felt safe and comfortable. This mineral perch terrified him, so we've been playing with it for about 3 weeks now to get him used to it. So, time for a change up. This is Milo's favourite perch ever. It's a replacement as his previous one used to look like this. Milo patiently waiting. He was a bit unsure to begin with, but he soon started to explore.